everyone. Let's continue with the last lesson we have, which is lesson number 7. Now we have one more skill, which is insert video files. How to insert the video files into our presentation or our slides. Actually, we can add many multimedia to one slide, and we can add some animation, and we can organize it as a professional. But if you make one video and one presentation on one slide, it's better to make video, audio, picture in one slide. So if you make it each different slide, if you add a video on one slide, the second slide it will be the audio or picture. It is much better for the audience to understand you or to follow up with you. So how to insert the video files? You can insert size and move video files in the presentation, and you can control when in the video will begin or to play it during the slide show. So if you add a video to any of your slides, you can choose or you can decide in which minute or in which second you are going to play this video till what time, like what second are you going to close that video or to stop that video. So number 1, display slide number 1, and then insert a new slide with the title and content layout. In the title placeholder, type employee, encouragement press, and type providing opportunities. In the content placeholder, click the insert video button, and then in the insert video dialog box, to the right of the form file, click the browse button, navigate to your student files, and then PowerPoint 03. We choose this one. Click insert, compare your screen with figure number 1. The video display in the center of the slide, as we see here, we added a video in figure number 1. Playback and volume control display in the control panel below the video. The video formatting and the editing tools display and the ribbon of the insert tab in the media group. Clicking on the video button is an alternate method to insert video. So how we can add a video or insert the video to our slides? Let's try to make it. So we go to insert, we choose any slide, or we make a new slide here. Let's say here, new slide. Or we can do duplicate slide. We delete this slide from here. I'm just showing you how to make a new slide. We come here. We go to insert, video. From here, okay, from the home tab again, you find insert. You will find video, audio, but we are going to just choose a video right now. And we can do it from the online video. You can download it from the internet, or if you have any video on your laptop or any hard disk that you have or any storage, you just click here, video from my PC, and then you choose it. After you choose a video and you post it here, you insert it here, you can choose what time are you going to play it and what time are you going to stop it, or to minimize it or maximize it, to edit it. Let's go back to our slides again. So we are and the control panel below the video point to the play views button. Play. So that is it highlighted as shown in figure 2. So here, first of all, we highlighted the video. Play views button. Move back 25 second button. Move forward 0.25 second button. Time is ellipsed. Mute and mute button. So we have some options here to play the video, and you can decide when are going to start or to end it. And here we have the time for the video. Click the play views button to view the video and press Alt P. It's either you just click on the play button or Alt plus P. As the video plays, the control panel displays the time that is played since the start of the video. Number 5, in the Format tab, in the Size group, click on the highlighted box, type 4, and then press Enter. Notice that the video with edges adjusted proportionality. So we go here, again, from the Format, first table, we highlight it. We find Format, and we go to the Heights, and we just click here, number 4. So this is the high adjusted. And here, again, we can find, again, from the Format tab, Arrange group, we find Align, which is here. Actually, it is here. And Align to the center. So if you want to make it to the center, you just go to Format, Align, and you make it to the center. Or you just highlight it and you move it to the center. Toward the right side of the status bar, click the Slideshow button to show the display in display slide 2 in the slideshow. Point to the video to display the pointer and then compare your screen with figure number 4. When you point the video, to the video during the slideshow, the player controls display. With the pointer displayed, click on the mouse button to view the video. When the video is finished, press Escape. So after, like, if you make full screen for your slide, and you press, the video comes up, the video slide comes up, you click Enter, the video will start, and when the video is finished, or you need to stop, you just press Escape. If necessary, select the video on the Playback tab. In the Video Options group, click the smart arrow and then click automatically on the Slideshow tab in the Slideshow group. The Form Current Slide button to display slide number 2 in the Slideshow. When the video is finished, press Escape. We did this already. When you set a video to start automatically, the video will play when the slide display in the slideshow. You can use this option if you want the video to begin playing without clicking the mouse button. So if you don't want the video to start automatically, you are going to select this one. Number 10 here, again, we save the presentation. So each slide that we are going to make, or you are going to make, you just save the presentation after you edit it, or you make some edit to that slide. You just save it in case if something happened, the electricity cuts off or something, you never know. You just save it. Keep saving your presentation or anything. Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Access. You just save always your job, and don't wait for the last minute to save the whole job at one goal. Here we have Apply Video Styles and Adjusted Video. You can apply styles and effects to the video. So we are going to make some effects and editing to the video by choosing some tips that we are going to make. You can recolor the video so that it is coordinated with the presentation theme. We can recolor it. And the slide 2, if necessary, select the video on the Format tab. We select the video style group, and click More button. So we find here and go to Format. We click More button. In the video style gallery, under Intense, you click the third slide, Reflected, Rounded, Rectangle. So if you see here the difference between figure number 1 here and figure number 4. Here it is like square. Here it is rectangle, the shape of it. Select the video in the Format tab again. Click the video style group. Click the video border button. Under the theme color, click the fourth option in the first row, dark tail text 2. Format, again, we highlighted Format. We find the video style group, border, and we change the theme colors, and we change it to dark tail, text 2. You click the video border again, button again, and then click weight and select 6 points. So we go to weights here. If we find it, I will show you in figure 2, I think. And we just click on the border, which is to 6 points. Number 4, with the video selected on the format tab in the adjusted group, click the color button. Point to the silver thumbnails to view the color change, and then click the second thumbnails gray scale to change the color of the video. Compare your slide with figure number 2. So the difference between figure number 1 and figure number 2, if we come back here, here it was square, we made it to rectangle, we centralized it to the middle. The difference between this figure and figure number 2, it is the color was changed, and the effect here, the option for the video was changed. And the format tab in the adjust group, click the color button, and then click the first thumbnails, which is non-recolor, to change the video color back to the original. So to change it or to make it back to the original, actually we can go back from here, or from this option we can color the video again. Number 7, with the video selected in the format tab in the adjusted group, click the corrections button to display brightness and contrast. So we choose the video again. Corrections, we find the brightness and contrast. If you want to make the video so dark, you should select the first one. If you want to make the video so light, you select one of these, because this is the brightness and the contrast of the video. In the third column, point to the 4 thumbnails to display the screen tabs brightness 0% and the contrast 20%, shown in figure 3. Number 9, click brightness 0% plus 0% contrast 20% to apply the correction to the video, and then click anywhere on the slide so that the video is not selected. Compare your screen with figure number 4. 10, and the slideshow tab in the start slide show group, click from the beginning and then advance through the presentation with the slide when the black slide display, and click more time to return to normal view. Here again we have inserted the header, footer, and the notes and the handouts. That includes the date, time, page number, and the footer, last first. Okay, we are going to make some changes to this presentation that we made. We are going to insert some header, footer, notes, handouts, and date, time, and the slide number. How we will do that? Save the presentation. You will go to home. You will find the page number or slide number. You just click any slide. It can be to the middle, to the top, sides. You can add the numbers anywhere you want. And then date, time, you will find in the home tab date and time. You just click on date and time. So each slide will have, or what include, it will include the date and the time, and notes and handouts. After this, we just save our presentation directly. Based from the web pages, how to paste or copy paste, let's say, from the internet or from the web to our slides. Information, text, pictures, or hyperlinks and URLs stored in the Office clipboard can be posted into your presentation. Information and photos copied from other sources should include citation, a note gradation, the original source, or author. And the slide number 4 position, to insert a point after Sequana and King Kayan, National Parks, and then press enter. That copy paste into the placeholder, press enter, and then compare screen with number 1. Click the blank area of the slide so that the placeholder are selected in the clipboard button, and just format tab to the size group and change the height to number 1. So we just change the height to number 1. 3, with the picture still selected and the format tab, the range group, click and the align button. Click on the align button, and then click align right. Click the align button again and click align tab. We will may change the different here. Compare screen with figure 2. Here we have some another, we added some hyperlink to our slides. We can go to Google, let's say. We find some nice article. We just copy the hyperlinks or the link of that site. We just copy it. We go back to our presentation, and we go back here, and we just make copy paste. So directly, if I click this link, it takes me, if I have internet connection wherever I go, if I click this link, directly it takes me to that site. So it's just about copy and paste from the internet. It's either you copy a site, picture, video, you can download actually, or you can download or copy a link from the site to our presentation. So all we did in our class, since we started Microsoft PowerPoint, which was our subject in this semester or this term, we made some skill, or I introduced you to make some skill, or maybe you already know how to make PowerPoint slide or to how make it professional. So in the final exam, whatever, or let's say not in the final exam, in the final exam and in the homework or your project that you are required to do, all we have done since we started from the first lecture to the last lecture, I need to see all like we did, all the skills we made. Let's go from the beginning. Here, we choose this one. I show you how to make the layout, how to make a new slide, how to create Microsoft PowerPoint, the size, the font size, bold, italic, underlined. What else we have here? Text detection. I show you how to do it. The shape fill, if we have some list or text. Shape outline, shape effects. We can make 3D. I showed you how to find or corrections to some uncorrection words as well. Cut, copy, paste. We go here to the second one, which is insert. We can insert the table, picture, online picture, screenshot, photo album, shapes. We have many shapes here. We can add a text inside a shape. Smart art. I just showed you how to make the smart art. Charts, hyperlink, which is the most important thing, how to make a hyperlink. Action, comment, text box, header and footer, date, time, slide number, equation also we can add, video, audio, and screen recording. Go to the design. We can change the design of our slides to this one, or this one, this one, this one, or this one. So you can do whatever that you can see it is gonna become as a professional PowerPoint presentation. You just may and choose whatever you like. Transition, we here have some cut, push, wipe, split. We have animation as well. In a transition also we can find the sound, duration, click in the mouse. So you can apply all these changes. Animation, slideshow, and we have view. You can view it as a normal, or just for reading to editing. Storyboarding, we can make it as a storyboarding shapes. So all these skills we did from the first lesson to the last lesson. In the final exam, be ready or study from the first. All chapters are included from number 1 to number 7. The exam will be about just Microsoft PowerPoint, nothing else, nothing. It's from different course. Study well, and good luck. See you hopefully for the next semester if you are taking one extra course with me. Thank you very much. Good luck. Bye-bye.